Hi guys, welcome back to the class. So in this class we are looking at the general angle between two lines. So let's look at how to explain this better with the help of the illustration. We are having a coordinate plane. We are having x and y and x. So and we are having a line AB. Likewise we have line PQ meeting at a point, meeting at this point, and that point we call it I. So an angle is formed there. We have angle theta, which is angle theta 1. Right here we have angle theta. The exterior angle we are having theta 2. So, but we know that exterior angle equals to the sum of opposite opposite interior angle. So it means we have theta 2 equals to theta 1 plus theta 2. That is exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. Exterior angle equals to sum of opposite interior angle. Now we have that will be theta 2 equals to theta 1 plus theta, not theta 2 plus theta. Then we substitute, we have theta 2 minus theta 1 equals to what? Theta. Definitely we are having theta to be equals to theta 2 minus what? Theta 1. Now, if we now take the tangent of both sides, take tangent of angle, it means we are having tan theta to be equals to tan theta 2 minus theta 1. Tan theta equals to tan into bracket tan theta 2 minus theta 1. Now, but from our trigonometry, we have tan A minus B, which is equals to tan A. We have done this in the previous class, tan B over 1 plus tan A, tan B. So if we compare that with this, it means we are having tan into bracket theta 2 minus theta 1 to be equals to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 over 1 plus tan theta 2 tan theta what? Theta 1. So likewise we have from our gradient, we said m is also equals to tan theta. So if we add for tan theta 2 becomes m2 and tan theta 1 becomes what? M1. So now let's change that tan theta 2 to m2 and let's change tan theta 1 to m1. So we have tan theta to now be equals to tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 over 1 plus tan theta 2 tan theta 1. So which tan theta now becomes to m2 minus what? M1 over 1 plus m2 m1. So we are having tan theta to be equal to m2 minus m1 divided 1 plus m2 m1, where theta is the angle between the two lines. So if you ask to find the angle between two lines and you are given an expression or equation, you have to find the gradients of each of the equation. So after finding the gradients, then you substitute in. Then the next thing is you just find your arctan of your answer, arctan of the value you arrive at. Then you get the value for theta, which is the angle between two lines. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be solving questions. See you in the next.